We have the DIY kit available for the tailgate center. You remove the plate behind the tailgate, the liner, and you install it inside there. We supply you the kit with the wire that you're going to run underneath the truck and then hook it up to a wire we're going to show you inside the vehicle to protect the tailgate. So basically I just armed it, left it open a little bit because it does have the lock from Chevy. So I don't want to remove the key and have to use it manually, which is probably what scares me, that manually part, which is what they're going to bust out to get inside your tailgate. So basically I wanted to protect, well actually the customer wanted to protect the tailgate because he has a deck system. He's got valuables in those drawers. So I just armed it, waited a little bit. I'm gonna drop it down a little bit so you can see how the alarm is gonna fire off. Right here it should fire off. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. Yeah, basically what you do, you remove these screws, remove this panel. The sensor gets installed inside. There's no necessary to put pin switches or do any the drilling. This is specially made for tailgates. We do have them for all the pickup trucks they're ever made. As long as your pickup truck has a factory alarm, you're not going to have an issue. Yeah, they are stealing tailgates for the past 10, 15 years already. I imagine they either resell them or somebody who gets into an accident that needs a tailgate, they'll probably target the same color of the vehicle so they can save time from having to go to the body shop or whatnot. Yeah, that's what's going around for the past 10 years. And this particular customer bought the deck system as well. He doesn't want to keep locking it and unlocking it. Plus, it doesn't have a lock unless you buy it extra. But it works out great because he's got camping and a lot of valuables inside there. So he doesn't want anybody who to bust out the tailgate and get in there, or possibility even taking the tailgate at all. Give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We do ship you the installation video, exactly how to install it. And this is a nice little project as a peace of mind that you can protect that tailgate and keep it from getting stolen. At least the guy, as soon as he opens it, imagine that horn honking in the middle of the night on a driveway. He's going to take off. This guy happens to have OnStar. You know, mostly all these trucks have the factory OnStar or Uconnect or Ford Pass or whatnot. If you set up if you have the app and you set up the notification, you should be able to receive an alert to your phone. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is the do-it-yourself kit for tailgates.